So, our business, Krishna conscious people, our business is very easy because we don't manufacture ideas. We take the idea and the words delivered by the Supreme Person, Krishna, or his incarnation, or his representative. His representative does not say anything which the master does not say. Representative is very easy. You can become representative of Krishna if you do not interpret Krishna's words in your whimsical way. Krishna says, Matta paradarang nanyat kinchijasti dhananjaya. There is no more superior authority than me. And if you take it as it is, and if you speak to the people that there is no more superior authority than Krishna, then you become Guru. You become Guru. Don't change, then you become Guru. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has instructed this. Amar agnay guru haiya taro ei desh. He was preaching. So, he was preaching everyone from country to country. Of course, he did not go outside India, within India. And he was instructing that you learn from me and teach your people within this village, within this country. Amar agnay guru hoiya taro ei desh. Ei desh means this country or this place where you are living. Then amar agnay guru hoiya, you become guru. So one may think that I am illiterate, I have no education, I am not born in very high family, how I can become guru? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that it is not very difficult. Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. Bas, you become. You simply speak whatever Krishna speaks, then you become guru. Thank you very much.